Take a look. Maybe you don't even necessarily have plans at the beach. Maybe it's downtown. Maybe just to take a stroll upon your local bridge. Well, here they come, talking about mostly downpours, but there's some lightning out there, and of course that's always dangerous. Let's focus on the main events right now. Northern Camden and Glenn County, heavy rain right along the I-95 corridor, and that is now headed back to the northeast, so that will head back out toward the islands. We also have some downpours developing over western Nassau and Duval. I just showed you that, and then some heavier rains and even some thunderstorms over Columbia County, moving out of Alachua County into southern Union and Bradford, and this working into Clay County as well. So for those of you in western Nassau, western Duval, and western Clay now, you're well aware that just over the last 15 minutes, we've gone from just a few sprinkles to some downpours. Now these are going to work to about Highway 17 within about the next 15 minutes, and it's going to make it to Highway 13 within about the next 30 minutes or so, and could make it to I-95 within about the next 45 minutes or so. And again, that's just today's event. The bigger event that we've been talking about that is erupting into a major producer of thunderstorms with flooding rains and tornadoes goes from Texas all the way through the Ohio Valley right now. It's going to race eastward overnight tonight, and notice by noon tomorrow it's going to be from Tallahassee on to about Waycross. But fortunately for us, it should have weakened considerably. Might there still be a few strong storms? Yes, so we'll watch that very closely. Notice by Thursday, that event that again right now is still in eastern Texas, it's going to be offshore to the east of us and to the south of us, so we won't have any thunderstorms on Thursday, but Thursday will be a much cooler day. So here's a closer look. Notice as we finish up tonight, those showers and thunderstorms we now see coming back toward the Jacksonville metropolitan area, they're going to weaken and they're going to head away. And then as we head toward tomorrow morning, here comes the line of heavier thunderstorms into the Panhandle and then working toward the First Coast. So specifically, now this is what it means for tomorrow. In the Jacksonville metropolitan area, think of the possibility as heavy rain, maybe some lightning, and a wind shift. We'll call that a squall after 1 p.m., so we should make it to about 80 degrees, maybe even the lower 80s. What about those of you farther out to the west? Well, I think those of you that will be hit first will be out toward Waycross, and I think the Okefenokee west and northwestward, you could have storms as early as 11 a.m., but that means for you, they'll end tomorrow as early as 4 p.m. And probably I'm most concerned for anybody who's going to be out and about for a long period of time tomorrow, and you're especially sensitive to the wind. That tends to be the salt lifers. Look for the squall to hit after about 2 p.m. Southwest winds will become westerly. Then we cool down on Thursday, and then we warm back up Saturday. Then we cool back down Sunday, warm back up Monday. Lots going on, including, how about it, world-class soccer. It's the women, USA versus Mexico, and that's going to be at the bank, and that's going to be, I think, a nice, breezy thermodynamic scenario for some world-class soccer there at the bank. Making plans for the weekend, although I'm going to go for another round of showers and thunderstorms this weekend, at least right now. Looks like it's going to roll in after 6 p.m. Saturday, ending by dawn on Sunday. And remember, we could see a third front roll in come Monday.